Hi everyone, my name is Marcella Dominguez, and if you are watching this video, it's because you are curious about whether or not you can register your hashtag as a trademark. If you go onto Instagram or Facebook or many of these social media platforms these days, you will see people using hashtags left and right. Hashtag beauty, hashtag makeup, hashtag legal, hashtag lawyer, hashtag foodie. You catch my drift. Hashtags are everywhere. So people say to me, Marcella, can I trademark my hashtag? And I want to give you the short answer right here, right now. And that is your hashtag has to be associated with the sale of some type of goods or services, in other words, a brand, in order for you to be able to register it. So if you're using the hashtag just because you like it, then that's great. Continue to do that. But you have to ask yourself, when I use that hashtag on social media, am I truly using it in association with some kind of brand? Is it in association with my brand? Do I have that hashtag up on my website? Do I have that hashtag written on my clothing somewhere? Do I have that hashtag prominently posted and associated with my goods or services? Because if the answer is no, then you know that you probably can't. People want to trademark their hashtags all the time. You can't just loosely throw it out there. What I am trying to say is that your hashtag has to be in association with a business. Are you using that hashtag in your business? Are you selling clothes? Are you selling services? Are you a lawyer? Are you a dentist? Are you a blogger? Are you a media agency, a marketing agency that uses a hashtag? If the answer is yes, then there might be a chance that you can register that hashtag in association with your business, goods, or services. But if you don't even have a business that's related at all to the use of this hashtag, then just forget about it, because it's probably not going to happen. There are rules and regulations and laws that we have to follow when we file trademark applications. The use of a hashtag in association with goods or services in the form of a business is just one of those requirements in order to be able to receive a registered trademark certificate. So if you just are using your hashtag on social media because you love it, as I said, great. But you need to be serious and honest with yourself, and you need to ask yourself whether or not you really have a brand, a business associated with this hashtag. Because the trademark office is not just accepting hashtag applications and saying yes and checking the box every single time one comes through. They are doing their due diligence, and they are checking every single application to make sure that they are in line with the requirements of being issued in order to be issued a registered trademark certificate. So a hashtag has to follow all of the same rules as any other trademark. So please, 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 if you have any questions, then leave them down below in the comments, or feel free to send me an email. If you found this information valuable, then give me a thumbs up and tell me what your favorite hashtag is. And if I'm honest, I do follow the hashtag for food, healthy food, because I do like to see, what kind of ideas are available for dinner tonight. Leave me your favorite hashtag down below and subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up.